Investing in yourself is the greatest investment you can make. It's about recognizing your own value and talents, then committing to grow and improve every day. By believing in yourself and constantly striving to do better, you're making the best investment possible, one that leads to a brighter, more fulfilling future. Let's face it, investing in yourself can be tough. Life throws all sorts of challenges on our way, like fear and failure, and sometimes we're held back by things like money problems or not having enough support. But it's precisely when things get hard that investing in yourself matters most. It's about finding the courage to tackle these challenges, to keep going even when it's tough, and to come out stronger on the other side. Because self-investment isn't about avoiding obstacles. It's about facing them with determination and believing in yourself no matter what. It's during these moments of doubt and difficulty that we may question whether investing in ourselves is worth it. We wonder if we have what it takes to succeed, or if we're simply wasting our time and resources. But here's the good news. Investing in yourself is always worth it. Learning new skills or achieving external success is a big part of investing in yourself, but it's also about building confidence and a deep sense of fulfillment. One of the most powerful investments you can make is your mindset. Believe in yourself, surround yourself with positive influences, and never underestimate the power of perseverance. This will make your life rich in purpose and joy. Another one is investing in yourself through reading. By feeding your mind with perspectives, insights, and knowledge. With each page turned, you embark on a journey of self-discovery, gaining wisdom from the experience and ideas of others. Whether going for fiction to unlock the depths of human emotion, or immersing yourself in non-fiction to expand your understanding of the world, critical thinking, and creativity. It is a timeless investment that enriches not only your intellect, but also your soul. So, remember this. You are your greatest asset. By investing in yourself, you're not only shaping a brighter future for yourself, but you're also inspiring others to do the same. Keep believing, keep growing, and keep investing in the incredible journey of you. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to keep investing in yourself, and see you in the next video.